ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 15, text number 25-26. Jalokasham jale yadvan,
जलोकसां जले यद्वम्
Jalokasam jale yadvan,
जलोकसां जले यद्वम्
Mahanto danti aniyasaha,
महान्तो दन्ति यनीयशः
Mahanto danti aniyasaha,
महान्ति दनि अनीयशः
Durbalan balino rajan,
दुर्बलान् नो राजन्
Durbalan balino rajan,
दुर्बलान् बलिनो राजन्
Mahanto balino mitha.
महान्तो बलिनो मितः
Mahanto balino mitha.
महान्तो बलिनो मितः
Evam balishtair yadubhir.
एवं बलिष्ठे यदुवीर
Evam balishtair yadubhir.
एवं बलिष्ठे यदुवीर
Mahadbir itaran vibhuhu.
महान वितरान विभो
Mahadbir yat itaran vibhuhu.
महान बलिष्ठो प्रतिराम विपुरो
Yadun yadubhir anyonyam. Yadun yadubhir anyonyam.
अदून यदुवीर अन्यनो
Bhubaran sanjahara araha.
उभारान संजयारहा
Bhubaran sangyaharaha.
उभारान संजयहारहा
Jalokasam
जलोकसां
of the aquatics.
of the aquatic
Jale
chale
in the water.
in the water
Yadvat
advat
as it is.
as it is
Mahanta
mahanta
the larger one.
the larger one
Adanti
adanti
swallows.
swallows
Aniyasaha
yaniyasah
smaller one.
smaller one
Durbalan
durbalan
the weak.
the weak
Balinaha
balinah
the stronger.
the stronger
Rajan
rajan
O king.
o king
Mahantaha
mahantah
the strongest.
the strongest
Balinaha
balinah
less strong.
less strong
Mithaha
misah
in a duel.
in a duel
Evam
evam
thus.
thus
Balishthai
balishte
by the strongest.
by the strongest
Yadubihi
Yadubihi
by the descendants of Yadu.
by the descendants of Yadu
Mahadbihi
Mahatbihi
one who has greater strength.
one who has greater strength
Itaran
Itaran
the common one.
the common one
Vibhuhu
Vibhu
the supreme personality of Godhead.
the supreme personality of Godhead
Yadun
Yadun
all the Yadus.
all the Yadus
Yadubihi
Yadubihi
by the Yadus.
by the Yadus
Anyonyam
Anyanam
among one another.
among one another
Bhubharan
Bhubaran
the burden of the world.
the burden of the world
Sangyahara
Sangyahara
as unloaded.
as unloaded
Ha
in
in the past.
the past.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.
O King, as in the ocean the bigger and stronger aquatic swallow up the smaller and weaker ones, so also the Supreme Personality of Godhead, to lighten the burden of the earth, has engaged the stronger Yadu to kill the weaker, and the bigger Yadu to kill the smaller. Please repeat. O king,
O king,
as in the ocean,
as in the ocean,
the bigger and stronger aquatics
the bigger and stronger aquatics
swallow up
swallow up
the smaller and weaker ones,
the smaller and weaker ones,
so also
so also
the Supreme Personality of Godhead,
the Supreme Personality of Godhead,
to lighten the burden of the earth,
to lighten the burden of the earth,
has engaged
has engaged
the stronger Yadu
the stronger Yadu
to kill the weaker,
to kill the weaker,
and the bigger Yadu
and the bigger Yadu
to kill the smaller.
to kill the smaller.
Purport. In the material world, the struggle for existence and survival of the fittest are laws because in the material world there is disparity between conditioned souls due to everyone's desire to lord it over the material resources. This very mentality of lording it over the material nature is the root cause of conditioned life. And to give facility to such imitation lords, the illusory energy of the Lord has created disparity between conditioned living beings by creating the stronger and the weaker in every species of life. The mentality of lording it over the material nature and the creation has naturally created a disparity and therefore the law of struggle for existence. In the spiritual world, there is no such disparity, nor is there such a struggle for existence. In the spiritual world, there is no struggle for existence because everyone there exists eternally. There is no disparity because everyone wants to render service to the Supreme Lord, and no one wants to imitate the Lord in becoming the beneficiary. The Lord, being creator of everything, including the living beings, actually is the proprietor and enjoyer of everything that be, but in the material world, by the spell of Maya or illusion, this eternal relation with the Supreme Personality of Godhead is forgotten. And so, the living being is conditioned under the law of struggle for existence and survival of the fittest. Om Ajnanati Mirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Namaha Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jaya Pataka Swamin Iti Namine Namaha Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jalokasam Jale Yadvan Mahanto Danti Anyasaha Durbalan Balino Rajan Mahanto Balino Mithaha Evam Balishtair Yadubdhir Mahadbir Itaran Vibhuhu Yadun Yadubhir Anyonyam Bhubaran Sangyaharaha. O king, as in the ocean the bigger and stronger aquatics swallow up the smaller and weaker ones, so also the Supreme Personality of Godhead, to lighten the burden of the earth, has engaged the stronger Yadu to kill the weaker, and the bigger Yadu to kill the smaller. In the previous verse, Arjuna was telling about how the Yadavas, the Dwarkavasis, were fighting with each other. And now he's giving a beautiful example, like we know this. We always say that the bigger fish swallow the smaller fish. We see that that's their food. So that is, Srila Prabhupada explains so beautifully that in this material world, we came here from the spiritual world because we wanted to lord it over. We wanted to enjoy like Krishna. Krishna is the only enjoyer. We keep saying that, and it's a truth, fact. Facts are always true. So when we say that, that means, are we not enjoying? We have so-called enjoyment, because especially when we say that material enjoyment. Yes, when we serve Krishna, and then Krishna is pleased, then we enjoy naturally. Like, when you water the roots and then the whole tree gets it, then everybody is happy, nice green leaves, flowers, fruits. Either you water or Krishna waters, because you cannot water all the trees. We don't have the capacity. We can't water our own trees in our own yard. For that also we sometimes engage somebody else. So this tendency of lording it over is there in all the species. Not that, when we came from the spiritual world, we directly became human beings. We passed through so many. There, everybody had this tendency. You can see that stronger lion and the stronger elephant and the bigger elephant. Like everybody is trying to lord it over because it's a struggle. Because we think that if I capture that, then I can do better. If I capture this, then I can do better. Like that. If I have 2 houses, then I have no problem. If I have 3 cars, then everybody in the house can have a car. And when the bill comes, you become morose. So why did I buy this? So like that, there's a continuous struggle in the material world. And because of that, Krishna created this disparity. Because he knew that otherwise how your desire will be satisfied. The small one also thinks that one day I will become big. Then I will take my revenge. I will do something. You're always waiting for the opportunity. All of us are waiting for an opportunity. But once we take up to the devotional service, and then by the grace of Krishna, we reach the spiritual world, one of the dhams, then this problem goes. Anyway, the name itself is Vaikuntha, no misery. So all our miseries have gone, and then we serve Krishna. That's the difference. Why do we want to go back to Krishna? I can serve him here also, but here there are so many obstacles in my service. Adhyatmika, Adi Bhautika, Adi Devika. Three miseries always chasing us. This morning, I think there is some earthquake in India-Pakistan border or something, Pakistan, Afghanistan or somewhere. So I was reading that, some people were affected, they thought that everything is dancing in their house. Adi Daivika, Adi Bhautika, everything around us. The people we deal with, the insurance companies and the mosquitoes and the dogs, stray dogs in India. All these create problems. And then we suffer on our own. I want to do this, I want to have that. This is the problem, this is, this man is bad, that man is good. We just keep on troubling our mind. Because somebody told us that empty mind is devil's workshop. So how do you fill that empty mind? Not by all this material jugglery. The best way is to surrender to Krishna and engage your body, mind and thoughts and words into his service. Tana, mana, vacha. People say dhana. Dhana, okay. Everybody doesn't have it. But everybody has a tana, body, mana, mind and vacha, words. That's all. If 3 things you engage. When we say body, every part of the body, all the senses. Like Amrish Maharaj. That is the key. If you can achieve that, then all these bigger, smaller. Here in the material world, when we are in the neophyte stage, then we still have this problem, bigger devotee, smaller devotee. Oh, is very advanced devotee, exalted devotee. We say that all that. Oh, I am so small. It's good to feel insignificant. That brings you humility. But at the same time, you be real. Are we really humble? Yes, if we are, then you are already a devotee. That the one of the 26 qualities of the devotees is to be humble. And that's the one of the foremost qualities, not that, that comes at the end or something like that. No, foremost. So we learn something new every day, as I say. And Bhagavatam is so practical. It gives so many wonderful examples. So thank you very much. I'd like to stop here. We will meet tomorrow. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna Mata.